Page 80. Pronunciation. Contrastive stress. Listen, then say it.
If it rains, I'll go to the movies. If it's sunny, I'll go to the beach. If they have a boy, they'll name him John. If they have a girl, they'll name her Jane. If she's tired, she'll go to bed early. If she isn't tired, she'll go to bed late.
Say it. Then listen.
If it's hot, I'll wear a t-shirt. If it's cold, I'll wear a sweater. If we work quickly, we'll finish early. If we work slowly, we'll finish late. If he speaks loudly, people will hear him. If he doesn't speak loudly, people won't hear him.
End of Chapter 8. Listen to these announcements at different workplaces. Match the workplace and the word you hear. Workplace 1.
Attention all employees. This is Ms. Barnum, the factory supervisor. There were 3 accidents in our factory last week. Nobody was hurt badly, but I worry about these accidents. Please try to work more carefully. Thank you for your attention.
Workplace 2.
Attention all employees. There is a small fire in the building. Please walk quickly to the nearest exit. Don't run. I repeat, there is a small fire in the building. Please walk quickly to the nearest exit.
Workplace 3.
May I have your attention, please? The president of our company will visit our office tomorrow. Please dress neatly for her visit. Thank you.
Workplace 4.
Cut! Okay, everybody. That was good, but you're still singing too softly. Please try to sing more loudly, okay? Let's try that again.
Workplace 5.
Attention, please. As you know, the weather is very bad this afternoon. And according to the weather forecast, the storm is going to get worse. Therefore, we are going to close the office early today. All employees can leave at 3:30. Get home safely. See you tomorrow.
Vocabulary Preview. 1. Bite. 2. Break into. 3. Crash into. 4. Drop. 5. Faint. 6. Fall. 7. Lose. 8. Spill. 9. Trip. 10. Get on. 11. Get off. 12. Get out of. 13. Burn myself. 14. Cut myself. 15. Hurt myself. Page 84. The blackout. Last night at 8 o'clock, there was a blackout in Centerville. The lights went out all over town. Listen to the first model.
What was Doris doing last night when the lights went out?
She was taking a bath.
Listen to the second model.
What were Mr. and Mrs. Green doing last night when the lights went out?
They were riding in the elevator.
Do exercises 1 through 9. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
What was David doing last night when the lights went out?
He was cooking.
2.
What were Mr. and Mrs. Park doing last night when the lights went out?
They were watching TV.
3.
What was Helen doing last night when the lights went out?
She was washing her hair.
4.
What were you and your brother doing last night when the lights went out?
We were studying.
5.
What were you doing last night when the lights went out?
I was reading the newspaper.
6.
What was Larry doing last night when the lights went out?
He was cleaning his apartment.
7.
What was Alice doing last night when the lights went out?
She was eating dinner.
8.
What were your parents doing last night when the lights went out?
They were shopping.
9.
What was your cousin Sam doing last night when the lights went out?
He was feeding his dog.